Good evening. We are now finding that hurricane hunters are noticing that Matthew has gotten a little weaker as of this advisory. Maximum sustained winds are now at 115 miles per hour. Pressure 962 millibars, moving northwest at 12 miles per hour, and that it is the center is 270 miles south-southeast of Nassau. A little weaker now, but keep in mind it could get stronger by the time it gets here. So don't start to think you got to let your guard down now, or you can let your guard down because there's a weakening trend. There's no reason why this can't ramp back up. Either way, it's still a formidable system. Still forecast to be a Category 4 as it gets closer to us, coming on that closest approach tomorrow afternoon. And then we're going to track it as it sticks close to that east coast of Florida, and then could skim the Georgia coast and the Carolina coast, and maybe loop back around out over the Atlantic waters, and early next week could be off the Florida coast again somewhere. But we want to deal with the here and now and what we're anticipating for tomorrow. Right now we're finding that Hurricane Matthew is pounding the central Bahamas, and we'll have a lot more coming up on that. But I want to focus a little bit on the winds and how the winds will be increasing heading toward tomorrow. And if you're listening on the radio right now, we're looking at the 8 a.m. time frame on this particular model, and it is showing tropical storm force winds for Broward, Miami-Dade County, and all the way down into the upper Keys. Notice those winds 41 to 43 miles per hour. That's 8 a.m. Moving it forward to about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, still showing winds gusting to tropical storm force, and then the system on its nearest approach, and then maybe moving north of us and finding some 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So we don't want you to look at these numbers and think this is absolutely exactly what the winds are going to do, but just to give you an idea of how things are going to be changing out there for tomorrow, heading from Thursday night into early Friday. If Max is ready, we will get with him so we can get more details on how things are unfolding over the Bahamas right now. Max?
Okay, well, the eye is cloud covered on satellite, but it's located right here, just south or southwest of Great Exuma. The airplane is out there right now. The Air Force, actually Air Force and NOAA is out there. In fact, they just flew through the eye and just now went over Great Exuma. So let me take a peek here. The winds are actually over 100 miles per hour at flight level. So not sure exactly what that translates down to the surface there, but Terrell is going to find out real soon here. The way it's going to work is here we are at midnight tonight. The center looks like it's going to pass just a little bit to the west of Great Exuma, and then parallel to go up through the Exuma Cays there. But that core, even tonight at midnight, it's still going to be over the southern tip of Great Exuma. And then beyond there, it's going to continue northwestward by tomorrow morning around 10 a.m., be somewhere around the northern tip of Andros and near Nassau. But look at that yellow, that the tropical storm force winds are still going to be over portions of Exuma even tomorrow morning. And then it's going to continue on that track, towards the southeast Florida coast. On the current track, the core is going to be passing east of Miami and Fort Lauderdale. I've had so many people tell me they don't understand why they're going to get any weather when they're out of the cone. The cone is for the center of the tropical cyclone. It doesn't tell you about impacts, but we do want to talk about impacts because that's the important thing. And I'm going to start out with the wind. And the biggest concern here right now, the extreme threat, is going to be Palm Beach County northward, the eastern part of Palm Beach County. That purple, the red area, is really the rest of Palm Beach County, much of Broward County and the northeastern portion of Miami-Dade, and then the orange area here is Miami-Dade of the Upper Keys. So that's the area that we're concerned about, or the most likely to get the most extreme high and moderate impact from the wind, and also the flooding.
Right, and those are some of the things that could occur as of the winds being extreme or high. In that extreme area, the structural damage, the high, things like roof damage, some window, garage door failures. So these are the reasons why you've been spending that time today preparing and fortifying your home, because there could be some actual damage from the winds.
Right, and then as far as the rainfall goes, this is really tricky because there's a real tight gradient. It's going to be a lot of rain over the Atlantic. It's going to taper off very quickly. Depending on exactly how close that core gets will determine how much rain we get. But the main idea here is heavy rainfall across South Florida. The heaviest rainfall is still likely to be Palm Beach County and coastal Broward. There'll be some street flooding. The floodwaters may enter some of the structures in the low-lying areas. And we don't want to forget about our marine community. As obviously rip currents and high surf. There'll be some coastal flooding and beach erosion, and we don't want to forget about that.
And we should also mention storm surge, not really much of a concern for us. It's more Palm Beach County northward, so we do need to throw that out there. But there's a lot to get ready for heading into tomorrow.
Right, and I hate to say it, but there's still a chance for an isolated tornado as well.
Forgot about that. So we're all over the Doppler radar. I'll show you where the showers are already starting to move in tonight. So we'll check back in with you guys later.
All right.